My name is Rivera. I'm the Senior Business Development Director from Invest Puerto Rico, focused on bioscience. We are actually the largest exporter of pharma and medical device in the whole United States. For example, AbbVie has the biggest facility in the whole United States. It's located in Puerto Rico. Aside from that, Eli Lilly has the second largest facility in Puerto Rico. We have the largest concentration of pharma and medical device in the whole United States. All the big names have presence here in the island. Eli Lilly, AstraZeneca, Johnson & Johnson, you name it, we have it. We have been doing manufacturing for the last 68 years, so we're very well known in the world in terms of manufacturing. Aside from that, we can export throughout the world. We can actually reach 18 countries to direct flights, 140 countries, only one stop along the way. And aside from that, is the talent is a differentiator in terms of why companies choose Puerto Rico to come. Aside from the 68 years of experience in pharma, medical device, and biotechnology, our workforce are actually very well known around the world, and actually our talent is the one that actually replicates most of the things that happens in other countries and other states. Is actually from people in Puerto Rico.